Today for the Bitcoin price, I am going to talk about the next move for Bitcoin and for Ethereum because I have a brand new 7-figure trade on Bitcoin. I will talk about Ethereum as well because yesterday I just stacked up a previous trade because something is unfolding in the charts which I truly want to talk about, guys. I will talk about that right now. So make sure you take a seat, you watch this video until the very end. Today it is very important. I have Bitcoin content, I have Ethereum content. I will talk about the next price targets I'm looking out for. I will show you my trades, my price targets and my expectations for Bitcoin and guess what, for Ethereum in the immediate short term. And if we are going down to the 15-minute candles, then you can see that Bitcoin is actually right now attempting a breakout. And this shouldn't come with any surprise to you because I was updating you over on Twitter. If you're subscribed to the MMCrypto Twitter channel, you saw that. So let's go straight into the content and talk about what I'm actually predicting right now. As you remember in yesterday's video, before the collaboration with MMCrypto, I was talking about the 4-hourly ribbon, how it is flashing actually a bullish signal. Afterwards, we got this massive pump, so I will update you on that as well. Let's go straight into the content. And of course, I have prepared my green candle shoe and my red candle shoe directly next to the money counting machine, which I will never need because I will never sell Bitcoin. This is, of course, a very important thing to mention. Now, let's go straight into it. First of all, why am I never going to sell Bitcoin? Because fiat is going to zero. This is shredded euros, 500,000 euros, 600,000 US dollars. I didn't shred that myself. It was a money museum or currency museum in Germany, but there's no difference. This one is worthless now. 500,000 euros today or 600,000 US dollars today will be also worthless just in a few years. Let's talk about that. So let me quickly start here over on the 1-hourly candle, the 50-minute candles for Bitcoin. And you know what, guys? Let's start over on the 4-hourly candles before we are going to the lower time frames and also my price predictions for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And quickly, guys, wow, beautiful. I thought it's the worst time in the world to go online because like it's midnight in US, it's like early morning in Europe, but still many people here, a few thousand people. Thank you so much for joining and thank you so much for smashing up the like button, for leaving your thoughts down below and just creating noise for the algorithm, because after we are live here, we still want the other MMCrypto family members to get this video recommended. So please share this video, push it out, make noise for the algorithm so YouTube understands that beyond that live stream, this video, this recorded video should still be pushed out to the people. You would really help me with that because otherwise I'm not reaching all the people I want to reach with that video, and this time it's very, very important. So let's go over, thanks guys, really. Let's go over to the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin. And as you can see, we had this 4-hourly rising wedge. We broke down, I got very cautious. In the moment we were bouncing here at the support box, and also Elon Musk was, at the support box, and Elon Musk was tweeting out, well, I was getting bullish again, especially here yesterday before we broke out. I told you that on the EMA ribbon, go back to the video I made before the collaboration with MMCrypto. I told you right here, hey guys, the 4-hourly ribbon is flipping bullish. It's about to flip bullish. And this is something not many people are really looking out for. It's not only important to be above the ribbon or below the ribbon, whether to consider that it's a bull trend or a bear trend. No, it's also important that the ribbon itself flashes this bullish signal by flipping the short-term moving average above the long-term moving average. And this exactly happened here. I was calling that. And you can see that the Bitcoin price ever since then significantly increased, actually all the way up here to a price level of 58,160 right now, 5% up on a 10x leverage. This is 50%. Of course, let's talk about a little bit more why this has legitimacy. You can see basically every time flipping bearish, bear trend, flipping bullish, bull trend, flipping bearish, bear trend. It really works, guys. Go back, like, I don't know, like 10 years back in time, it still works. Flipping bullish, bull trend. Right? I mean, just go back and fact check that yourself. Every single time we are flipping above bull trend, when we are flipping below, and also the short-term moving average going below, in the moment we are also breaking below bear trend. Same thing works for the bull trends. we are breaking above. Also, the ribbon itself flashes this bullish signal, and we are getting this massive run towards the upside. And yeah, here you can see amazing selling indication. So this works time and time again, way more often than not. And this time it seems like it worked again. We got this bullish signal here. Bitcoin broke out towards the upside. And what here is not so clear that it's a bull flag. It will get more clear if I am diminishing here the 4-hourly candles and going back on the 1-hourly candles first. You can see we broke out here. Let's check the volume, and you can see, well, some volume was coming in. It's not big enough, but still this one here shows us perfect. We have declining volume within that bull flag. This is something we want to see. Price action going to the downside while the volume is declining in a bull flag points towards a very high likelihood of us actually breaking out. This was the reason why I was pushing out that tweet here approximately 1.5 hours ago. Some people already engaging very nicely on that, and you can see here I posted it before the breakout, and actually we broke out exactly afterwards. So now the question is, how high will we go? Are we going to see this massive breakout, and what specific price level do we have to reach for us to confirm we are not only going to break the $60,000 level, but also the previous all-time high, and another price target which I actually want to disclose to you today, which is, honestly speaking, guys, a pretty crazy one. It's not even within that chart. I will have to scroll a little bit for that. So let me talk about that. Also, of course, guys, I will update you about my trade here, where I put in much more quantity, 7 figures more, actually million dollar more here in my trade, which has a size of $7 million right now and is $2.5 million in a profit. I did that just a few hours ago, and I will tell you exactly why. I will tell you exactly the price targets I am looking out for. And of course, guys, very importantly, if you want to be trading Bitcoin and Ethereum yourself, just as I am doing that, do it as an experienced trader. If you are not, buy and hold. If you are, well, I have something nice for you in the pinned comment. If you want to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum just as I am doing it here, go down to the pinned comment, and please look out for only verified comments. If it's not verified, it's not me. $700 for free in the pinned comment down below. Bybit, Phemex, Judex. I'm only trading on Bybit and Phemex actually. Bybit is the best choice, but Phemex is beautiful for altcoin trading. Make sure you go down below and you claim these bonuses here. And the nicest thing is, when you are claiming these bonuses and this bonus period is over and you already claimed the bonus, with our link in the pinned comment, you are always eligible for the highest bonuses you can ever get. So go down below in the pinned comment if you are an experienced trader and if you want to be taking advantage of these insane bonuses. Let me talk about the Bitcoin trade here before I am going into Ethereum, some crazy metrics, and guys, some charts which will certainly blow your mind. Bear here with me, guys. I do not want you to be dropping off here. First of all, 15-minute candles. Let me go to the 15-minute candles and show you actually what is happening here. So first of all, in the exact candle of the breakout, we are having some volume coming in. This shows us, hey guys, this could be a legitimate one. So let me diminish the volume here. Of course, we still need more volume coming in. I'm not very satisfied with the volume profile, with the volume on Bitcoin recently. But we are getting this breakout out of this bear flag. And what is the target of the bear flag? Well, you usually just take it from the previous low to the high of the bear flag, and it's a half-staff price target here, so you take it over to this price target. So our price target is $60,400. We are always taking profits before the price target. So we are getting this breakout here, and if you are in this trade just from here, well, I would take the biggest amount of profits already before this price target here. When are we going to confirm this specific breakout here? Well, either with the confirmation at the previous support, or if we are just breaking. This is something I like for with bull flags. We don't only need a confirmation, but I want Bitcoin to break the previous high here. If we are breaking the previous high, closing a 15-minute or maybe at least an hourly candle, that would be better. Above that, at the $58,500 levels, this could be another maybe nice second entry position for the specific bull flag breakout here. Now, of course, the question is, what is my next price target for Bitcoin besides that bull flag? And of course, I have something prepared for you. And guys, I can see it's so nice to see how more and more people are actually coming in here. Very amazing. Check your microphone. Can you hear me? Why is the sound bad? Can you hear me? Fix your microphone. Microphone wrecked. How is that possible? How is that possible? Is the microphone still wrecked, guys? Let me know. Yes, distorted, crackling. That's crazy. Mic is good. Microphone is good. Well, come on, guys. Make a decision. So I hope it is... Yeah, we hear you. All good. It is perfect. So I hope it's good here, guys. I hope it's good. Let me continue here with the chart. Thank you so much always for your feedback. It certainly helps, guys. It certainly helps. So on the 4-hourly, I want to show you my next price target for Bitcoin on the higher time frames, on the 4-hourly, because on the 4-hourly, as you remember, we just confirmed a bull trend. Doesn't mean 100%, but with a high degree of certainty here, just like 12 hours ago when I pushed the last video, it's working, just has a noise. Wow, that's horrible. Sorry, guys. That's so annoying, man. Come on, buying like an iPhone 12, you should think that it works, right? So yesterday I was actually also mentioning this price target of close to 70,000 US dollars. Good news, well, beautiful price target, show me a new high, I'll show you a buy. Bad news, Bitcoin would still be here, kind of retesting the previous pattern, which I really want Bitcoin to break into, back into, because yeah, we have this upward sloping resistance now from the previous rising wedge, which would still not be broken with this specific target. But still, guys, it would be a new all-time high, certainly something to celebrate, certainly something I am looking out for. And I want to go back to Ethereum, and I'm a little bit confused here that the sound is not perfect. That's why I'm actually going live with the phone, because sound perfect always. It has the best Wi-Fi module, always great connection, and fixed mic and bear market. Yeah, crackling. That's crazy. Wait a second. I just blew into the microphone. I hope that works better, but who knows? I hope it's better now. So let me talk about Ethereum here. Yeah, that's crazy. I have to buy a new phone. And honestly, guys, honestly speaking, like, it's not my only phone. I have another iPhone 12 here. I love iPhone 11, iPhone 10. Like, I have so many phones. I just want them to work. Come on, man. Like, we are here in the 21st century. Can already extend your life by 50 years, man. I want just good connections here, man. Anyways, Ethereum on the 4-hourly candles. So what is going to happen here? First of all, we had this rising wedge here earlier, which I was talking about. We broke out, confirmed the breakout, and also hit my price target I was actually calling back then in February 2021. The price target of approximately 1,970 US dollars. Afterwards, we broke down, formed this falling wedge here, broke out of the falling wedge, and my price target there was, big disclaimer, 2,050 US dollars. We didn't reach that yet, which was of course not so nice. But if you went in that trade here, you were never unprofitable, because at this moment, even we broke down afterwards, well, we never saw the price level of our entry position here again. Ethereum is still on the build up here, and we can still reach my price target. So this is certainly something to look out for. So my price target for this specific breakout is still 2,040 US dollars. It just takes a little bit longer than I actually thought, to be honest. But there is something else unfolding here. As you can see, this is a V, and this is the second V for Ethereum. So are we actually here building a potential W pattern? Well, for this W pattern to actually confirm, we need to break the 1,940 US dollar level. The best would be to break that on the 12-hourly or on the daily candle, close above. And in this specific case, this is the 4-hourly, but if you want to be making very sure, wait for the daily. Our price target is, once again, 2,583 US dollars. My next price target for Ethereum. And why did I post yesterday, I am bullish on Ethereum? AirPods. Yeah, someone is saying AirPods, but like the AirPods are inside. So I would like, no worries about, I would like to just go over and check in the settings here, but try to connect the AirPods. I don't think that works. Let me see. Because I can't go into the settings. Okay, guys, can you hear me right now? I don't think so, because it's connected with the other iPhone probably. Can you hear me? Is it different, or am I still talking through this microphone here? Anyway, let me just continue like this. Probably it's better. All right. Just go ahead. So Let me go back here. Sorry for this problem, but who expects that? I just bought a brand new iPhone just for live streaming. So this is my price target for Ethereum. And why did I post yesterday that I'm actually right now very move to iPhone? Look at this, man. It's crazy. What is this now? What is this? I have no clue. Anyway, I posted yesterday that I'm actually much more bullish on Ethereum right now. And why did I do that? Well, I had a talk with BitBallCrypto, and I can see like search traffic going down, bearish articles coming down. Many people are right now actually worse, better. Yeah, many people. Yeah, it's horrible. And many people are actually right now being bearish on Ethereum, while we are basically only like, I don't know, 8%. Is it better or worse, guys? Come on. I see here different opinions. Anyway, many people are bearish on Ethereum and are just saying, oh, Ethereum is so boring. Nothing is happening on Ethereum. But we are just 9% below the all-time high. Bitcoin is 6-7% below the all-time high. It's not even that bad. Worse. Yeah. You know what, guys? I will just ignore the comments now because I have different feedback here. So we have Ethereum being 7% below the all-time high, and we have Bitcoin 10% below the all-time high. Restart stream. No, I'm not going to restart the stream. So this is why Ethereum is not even looking that bearish. We are going sideways for some time. We went down to $1,400. But in the end of the day, Ethereum is just slightly below the all-time high. How in the world is that bearish, guys? Like, we are consolidating among the all-time high and having higher lows for Ethereum. Ethereum is not bearish. Against Bitcoin, yes, but Bitcoin is the most superior asset in the history of mankind, right? So I am not bearish on Ethereum. I'm looking out for higher prices on Ethereum. I could be wrong here, guys, but this is my stance on Ethereum right now. And just seeing the mainstream fading away here on the search traffic for Ethereum furthermore validates that I might be right here about that. So I wanted to show you something else, talking about Bitcoin, the superior asset. And here we are talking about the percentage of the coin supply on exchanges, on all exchanges here. And you can see that Bitcoin we're facing, and I was talking about that actually ever since here. I was the first one to bring up that metric on YouTube as far as I'm concerned. The balance of Bitcoin on exchanges, it's going severely down actually since this C dump we had in March 2020. Was talking about that, and the circulating supply is actually quite low on exchanges, which is a very bullish metric, because if the circulating supply on exchanges is very low, well, you have not so much to sell, right? And if the demand is increasing and the supply of Bitcoin on exchanges is decreasing over time, and the price is a function from supply and demand, it is a bullish metric. This is what I was actually talking about. However, guys, let's go down into the specific metric here, because if we are looking at the specific exchanges, you can see that Bitfinex, Binance, Bittrex, Bitstamp, OKX, Kraken, Huobi, and Coinbase have this declining balance on exchanges. However, you can see that Binance and Gemini have an increasing supply on exchanges. And now the question arises, dear ladies and gentlemen. And by the way, if you just joined this live stream, go back to the very beginning of that live stream and watch it from the very beginning. And please, we had here some connectivity or audio issues. YouTube might punish that video for that, but please smash up the like button, share the video with your friends, so we are still getting it out there. Thank you so much for your feedback, guys. I'm happy that you can hear me. So please share this video with your friends so we can get the algorithm rolling again, even though we had some technical issues here. Let me go back to the content. So why is the balance on exchanges, whereas it's decreasing overall, increasing on Gemini and Binance? And why, and this is the point, guys, why is the volume increasing on Gemini bullish? Believe it or not, because I'm always telling you decreasing volume on exchanges is bullish. But why is increasing volume on the Gemini exchange bullish? Let me tell you why. Gemini has, over the last few months, implemented more and more entries, or more and more, how to call it, more and more solutions for institutions to actually buy Bitcoin. Gemini is the one of the one and only exchanges which are focusing on institutions. And it's so nice to see how retail exchanges are actually having declining volume And then the question arises, where is that Bitcoin going to? Well, first of all, it's going to cold wallets, cold storages, and so on, to wallets. But of course, it's going to those exchanges which are focusing on institutional solutions. And this is Gemini, for example. Big shout out to the Winklevoss twins. This is something bullish because, well, there are centralized exchanges where institutions are onboarding. And of course, these institutions are using the insured custody of Gemini to store their Bitcoin. So having an increased circulating supply of Bitcoin on the Gemini exchange is something bullish, and furthermore validates that we are having more and more institutions actually entering this game. This is something I truly like to see. Shout out Winkley. Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much for all your likes, guys, man. I truly appreciate it. So this was very important to mention. And many people are still talking about that CME gap. Are we going to close it or not? Well, I can tell you I was never a fan of the CME gaps. But nevertheless, they closed very often. But I did so well not trading them because throughout this whole bull cycle, we left so many of these CME gaps behind. Nevertheless, overall, trading them was maybe not so bad. But you can see we have one at 11,200. We have one at 18,600, which never got closed. One at 23,700, which never got closed. So I always said all we need is one parabolic bull cycle to invalidate the CME theory, and right now it seems like it is finally coming. I'm still not saying that trading them is bad. If you traded them, you made significant amounts of money throughout that sideways cycle, bear cycle, or whatever. Of course, you had a nice framework to exclude the psychology. Just right now, I don't think it's very feasible trading them. Doesn't mean that we are not going to close it, but personally thinking, this is not the reason why we are going to close it. There might be other reasons for it. And of course, quick reminder for yesterday, I told you that Bitcoin was doing something it didn't do since 2012. It's 6 green candles we did in 2012. And if April is green, this will be the first time in Bitcoin history. The last time, this is the monthly candles for Bitcoin. Every candlestick represents 1 month. The last time we had 6 green monthly candles was in 2012. So if April is going to be green, and April is usually a bullish month for Bitcoin and for altcoins, 2019 bullish, 2018 bullish, 2017 bullish, 2016 bullish, 2015 bullish. Every single April was bullish in the last 5-6 years. Well, is this April going to be bullish again? Very, very possible, but we have to keep in mind, if it is, it's going to be the first time in Bitcoin history that we are having 7 green months in a row. This is what I wanted to say. Man, that was a messy live stream so far here with these audio problems. I should have maybe just ignored it and continued. Is the audio fine here now? Love this guy. Thank you so much, guys. So beautiful. And I truly appreciate every single one of you, every single like, every comment, every share. And of course, I wanted to remind you, if you want to take advantage of this volatility, do it only as an experienced trader. But in the pinned comment down below, you actually have, let me go back, you actually have $700 for free on Bybit, Phemex, and UDEX. And I'm personally trading on Bybit and Phemex. And this is my Phemex trade. You can see it's right now $2.5 million in a profit. Yesterday, I put another $1 million in that trade, equaling a $7 million size on this specific trade. And why I did that, I already told you. Of course, could be wrong with that one, but you have to keep in mind, if you're jumping in a trade now, I am scaling up from a previous trade, and my liquidation price on that trade is now $41,000. So my risk is, of course, way lower rather than joining a trade right now, right? This is just what I wanted to tell you right now. Someone is asking, when is Bitcoin going to reach $213,000 in what month? Well, October? I'm just guessing, widely guessing here. But I'm personally seeing so much bullishness in the market that I have a hard time to believe that the bull market will go into 2022. I think it's going to be over this year. But what price? Well, Bitcoin goes parabolic towards the end always. And when Bitcoin is going parabolic, let me take some water, it can just triple in a month. It can 4 times in the month. In 1 month. This is what it's about when it's vertical. Someone is saying, don't believe him, it's going to dump soon. Yes, Very possible. My point here is that the bull market is not over, but my point is also that it's gonna be over probably in the next few months. This is what I'm saying. It can't go up forever. Just expect the unexpected, guys. Where should I close my Bitcoin trade? It always depends on your entry position and on the time frame where you are trading on. If you are trading on the 15 minutes and you are trading the bull flag breakout, well, close your trade below the target, somewhere around 60K or whatever, right? If you're trading on the daily, maybe you're trading the AB equals CD move, then you should trade it way higher, right? But then your entry position was also lower. So it's very different always. Sounds wet. Yeah, you know what, guys? I will wrap it up for today. The next live stream is going to be better. I will throw this phone away or just give it to someone and buy a new one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always. Oh, and never forget. Fiat is going to zero. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.